He looked completely healthy mid-30s, active, never missed a day of work, the kind of person everyone assumes has it all under control. But one routine checkup changed everything. His doctor paused, looked at the screen, and said something he never expected to hear. "We need to talk about your liver. No pain, no warning, no obvious symptoms. Just silent damage building up for years." That's the part most people don't understand. Serious health problems don't suddenly appear overnight. They build quietly, beneath the surface, while you're busy living your normal life. By the time you notice something is wrong, it's often been developing for far longer than you think. The truth is uncomfortable, but real. What feels like out of nowhere is usually the result of small, repeated habits you never questioned in the first place. Here's what most people never realize. Disease doesn't start with a dramatic moment. It starts with tiny, everyday choices. Skipping sleep, eating late, sitting too long, ignoring stress. None of these seem dangerous on their own. In fact, they feel normal. But over time, these small habits quietly shape how your body functions. Your metabolism slows, your hormones shift, inflammation builds sand. You don't feel it happening. That's what makes it so dangerous. It's silent. There's no alarm, no immediate consequence to force you to change. And because nothing feels wrong, you keep repeating the same patterns, day after day, month after month, until one day, your body can't compensate anymore. What people call sudden illness is often just the visible result of invisible damage that's been accumulating all along. The biggest mistake most people make is simple. They believe that if they don't feel pain, nothing is wrong. No symptoms means no problem at least that's what they tell themselves. But the body doesn't work that way. Many of the most serious conditions, insulin resistance, fatty liver, cardiovascular issues, develop without clear warning signs in the early stages. Instead, the signals are subtle. Low energy, poor sleep, brain fog, slight weight gain. Easy to ignore, easy to explain away, so people push through, assuming it's just stress or getting older. Meanwhile, the real issue continues to grow beneath the surface. By the time strong symptoms finally appear, the condition is often much harder to reverse. The danger isn't what you feel, it's what you don't notice. One of the most overlooked habits is how and when you eat. Grabbing meals on the go, eating late at night, or rushing through food in under 10 minutes feels normal in a busy life. But your body doesn't process food based on convenience, it follows a biological rhythm. When you eat too quickly, your brain doesn't have time to register fullness, leading to overeating without realizing it. When you eat at inconsistent hours, especially late at night, your metabolism becomes disrupted. Over time, this can affect blood sugar levels, hormone balance, and digestion. What seems like a harmless routine, skipping meals, snacking late, or eating in a rush slowly, trains your body to operate inefficiently. And because the effects build gradually, most people never connect their daily eating patterns to the long-term metabolic issues they eventually face. Another silent contributor to declining health is something most people do all day, without thinking: sitting. Whether it's at a desk, in a car, or on the couch. Long periods of inactivity signal your body to slow down. Your muscles burn less energy, your circulation becomes less efficient, and your body starts storing more fat, especially around your organs. This is known as visceral fat, and it's far more dangerous than the fat you can see. The problem is, it doesn't happen overnight. It builds quietly, driven by hours of minimal movement each day. Even people who exercise occasionally can still be affected if they spend most of their time sitting. It's not just about working out, it's about how much you move throughout the entire day. And for many, that number is far lower than they realize. At first, the signs are easy to dismiss, and you feel a little more tired than usual, but you blame it on a busy schedule. You notice some bloating after meals, but assume it's just something you ate. Sleep becomes inconsistent, harder to fall asleep, easier to wake up, but you tell yourself it's just stress. These symptoms don't feel serious enough to worry about. They don't interrupt your life in a dramatic way, and that's exactly why they're so often ignored. But these small signals are your body's early warning system. They're subtle clues that something isn't functioning the way it should. The danger isn't that they exist, it's that they're dismissed for too long. Because when ignored, these minor discomforts can quietly evolve into much bigger health problems over time. What starts as something small rarely stays small. Those minor symptoms: slow energy, poor sleep, occasional bloating, are often the early stages of much bigger problems. Over time, your body begins to adapt in unhealthy ways. Weight slowly increases, especially around the midsection. Blood sugar levels become harder to control, setting the stage for insulin resistance and eventually type 2 diabetes. The liver, overwhelmed by excess energy and poor metabolic signals, begins storing fat, leading to fatty liver disease. None of this happens overnight. It's a gradual process, built on patterns repeated daily. That's the real danger. Small symptoms don't stay small, they compound. What feels manageable today can quietly evolve into something far more serious tomorrow. And by the time the consequences are obvious, reversing them becomes much harder than preventing them in the first place. To understand why this happens, you don't need a medical degree, just a basic idea of how your body responds to daily habits. At the center of it all is insulin, a hormone that helps regulate blood sugar. When you constantly eat at irregular times or consume more than your body needs, insulin levels stay elevated for too long. Over time, your cells become less responsive to it, forcing your body to produce even more. This creates a cycle that promotes fat storage, especially in the liver and around vital organs. At the same time, chronic low-grade inflammation begins to build, disrupting normal cellular function. Hormones that control hunger, energy, and sleep also start to fall out of balance. The result isn't immediate. It's a slow shift in how your body operates, moving further away from efficiency and toward dysfunction. Many people assume these health issues are simply part of getting older, are something determined entirely by genetics. But that's only part of the story. While age and genetics do play a role, they don't act alone. In many cases, lifestyle is the deciding factor. The way you eat, move, sleep, and manage stress has a powerful influence on how your body functions over time. What's often overlooked is how consistent everyday choices can either support your health or slowly work against it. This is the part that isn't talked about enough. Not because it's complicated, but because it's easy to underestimate. The idea that small habits shape long-term outcomes can be uncomfortable, but it's also empowering, because it means change is possible, and it often starts with things you can control. There comes a moment when the body can no longer keep up. After months or even years of silent compensation, everything reaches a tipping point. Maybe it shows up as a diagnosis during a routine checkup. Maybe it's constant fatigue that no amount of rest can fix, or sudden weight gain that doesn't make sense anymore. This is the moment people often describe as it came out of nowhere. But in reality, it didn't. The body had been sending signals all along, just quietly. When the internal systems are pushed beyond their limit, they stop adapting and start breaking down. Blood sugar spikes become harder to control, inflammation increases, and normal functions begin to fail. This is the climax of the story, the point where hidden damage becomes visible, and ignoring it is no longer an option. For many, this is the wake-up call. It's the moment when everything starts to connect: the late nights, the rushed meals, the constant sitting, the ignored symptoms. What once felt like separate, harmless habits now form a clear pattern. And with that realization comes a choice: continue the same path, or start making changes. This stage isn't about perfection, it's about awareness. Understanding that the body isn't working against you, but responding to what you've been consistently doing. That shift in perspective is powerful. Instead of feeling helpless, there's a sense of control. A recognition that while the damage may have taken time to build, improvement can begin just as quietly. And for the first time, change doesn't feel overwhelming, it feels possible. The biggest surprise for most people is that real change doesn't come from extreme actions, it comes from small, consistent adjustments. Eating at more regular times, slowing down during meals, adding short walks throughout the day, prioritizing sleep, even if it means going to bed just 30 minutes earlier. None of these changes feel dramatic on their own, but together, they begin to shift how the body functions. Energy levels stabilize, digestion improves, cravings become easier to manage. This isn't about strict diets or intense workout plans. It's about working with your body instead of against it. The process isn't instant, and it's not always perfect, but it's sustainable, and that's what makes it powerful. Because over time, these small habits start to create noticeable, lasting results. As the new habits take hold, the changes become hard to ignore. Sleep feels deeper and more consistent. Waking up in the morning is no longer a struggle. Energy levels remain steady throughout the day, instead of crashing in the afternoon. Gradually, excess weight begins to decrease, especially around the midsection. But more importantly, the body starts to feel balanced again. Digestion improves, focus sharpens, and that constant background fatigue fades away. What once felt like normal discomfort is replaced with a sense of ease. And the most encouraging part? These results don't come from anything extreme. They come from simple, repeatable actions done consistently. That realization changes everything, because it proves that meaningful health improvements are within reach for almost anyone willing to start small. If there's one thing to take away from all of this, it's simple. Your health is not defined by one big decision, it's shaped by the small ones you repeat every day. There's no single moment that makes or breaks your body. And there's no quick fix that can undo years of habits overnight. Real health doesn't come from extreme diets, intense programs, or short bursts of motivation. It comes from consistency, from the way you eat, move, sleep, and respond to stress day after day. The truth is, there's no magic solution, but there is a pattern. And once you understand that pattern, you realize something powerful. The same small habits that slowly lead to problems can also slowly lead you back to balance. Change doesn't have to be overwhelming, it just has to be consistent. So instead of waiting for a wake-up call, start small today. You don't need to change everything at once. Just pick one habit. Maybe it's eating a little slower, going to bed earlier, or taking a short walk after meals. The goal isn't perfection, it's progress. Because the choices you make today will shape how your body feels tomorrow and the days after that. If this made you think about your own habits, take a moment and ask yourself, what's one small change I can start right now and stick with it? If you found this helpful, share your thoughts or your starting point in the comments. It might inspire someone else to begin. And if you want more simple, science-backed insights like this, make sure to follow along. Your future health is built one small step at a time.